Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue the second part of the explanation of the lesson 13, the river bank. You remember last time we stopped with a question, why did the mole enter the tunnel? So I hope you have got some explanation for this, the answer. It is just simply the mole wanted to go out of the house where it was staying. He wanted to enjoy the holiday outside from the entirely routine life. He wanted to have a different life. That was the reason that he went out from its own house and got into the tunnel so that he can peep it out and go out of that place and enjoy. So we'll go further with the class. We have the page 106. As he went, now you remember we stopped when it fell into the green meadow, and it was roaming up and down, and it was like a proud person. It was walking straight and reached near the hedge, and for the further side. Now, as he was walking ahead, what happened? Hold up, said an elderly rabbit at the gap. So as he was walking, enjoying, suddenly an old rabbit told, hold up, stand there. 6 pence for the privilege of passing by the private road. By the private road means 6 pence. You have to give money, 6 pence, that if you want to go through this private road. It is meant only for the rabbits. I suppose he must have meant for that. Means to say the road was not meant for everybody to walk. So since he walked, the elderly rabbit was demanding 6 pence, some money. He was bowled over an instant by the impatient, contemptuous mole. Now mole was very disrespectful because he has never met anybody else. So what happened? As he was asking, he bowled on, knocked down. He just knocked down. The mole knocked down that elderly rabbit, and it went round and round and fell. And because the contemptuous mole means like disrespectful. He was not having any respectful to him. So he just pulled him and went ahead. Who trotted along the side of the hedge, teasing the other rabbits as they peeped hurriedly from their holes to see what the row was about. Now, to say now we can understand most of that area was meant for the rabbits, and that is why he took that road, and elderly rabbit stopped. But he was so never listened to anybody. He just pushed him out. And what was happening? There was a little fight between this both rabbit and the mole, elderly. So other rabbits were just peeping out from their holes. What was happening over there? Onion sauce, about the row. Onion sauce, he remarked jeeringly. Jeeringly means mockingly. He was just teasing them. How, with what, which words? Onion sauce. And was gone before they could think of a thoroughly satisfactory reply. So before they wanted to give him, this rabbits wanted to give a proper answer, they have already gone. And he walked away from there. Then they all started grumbling at each other. Means among the rabbits they began to grumble at each other. How silly you are, telling the elderly rabbit. Why didn't you tell him? Why you did not tell that? Well, why didn't you say? Now among themselves they begin to quarrel. You might have reminded him, and so on, in the usual way. But of course it was then much too late, as he is always the case. Means this was a routine thing was happening between the rabbits. They were blaming each other, why you did not tell, and they were proud. By the time the mole had already walked away. As usual, it happens with everyone else. It all seemed too good to be true. Here and there through the meadows he rambled busily along the hedgerows, across the groups of trees, finding everywhere birds building, flowers budding, leaves thrusting, everything happy and occupied. Now our mole was enjoying, and it seemed too good to be true. He was so happy to be there around. Here and there through the meadows he rambled busily. Rambled means went for a pleasant walk. He was just walking along the hedge grows, where the hedge was growing, and across the groups of trees, plenty of trees around, finding everywhere birds and building, first time. Flowers budding, leaves thrusting, coming out, everything was happy and occupied. And instead of having an uneasy conscience pricking him and whispering whitewash, so all the time he was whitewash, all the time whitewash. So instead of that pricking him, it was coming back to his mind over he somehow could only feel how jolly it was to be the only ideal dog among all these busy citizens. So he was thinking, now he is very busy, others are simply remaining. Only he is the one. Now he wanted to remain very happy, looking at others working and enjoying. Ideal dog means a person who sits simply without any work. After all, the best part of a holiday is perhaps not so much to be resting yourself. It is not according to him, he says, the best holiday, it is not that simply you sit and rest, but to see others working, as to see all the other fellows are busy working is the best holiday, he thinks, according to him. Now the question again, list the things that Mole sees in the meadow. So just to go through, read the lesson, you will understand from the last paragraph what all the things the Mole saw while he was doing the walking near the meadow and hedge grows. So we have the last part. For the one more part, we will have as a third part. So please read the lesson, try to understand, find the meanings which if you find it difficult to understand, but the more important, you will read it well, and then thereafter you will get the question answers, and rest of already I have sent a few question answers. The rest of the question answers you will get in the next class. Please read the lesson. Thank you.